नमः सर्वेभ्यः। नूतनसंवत्सरस्य शुभाशयाः। प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरिः ओम तत्सत्। अस्तु तु
Happy New Year to all of you.
Yes. So we had just done a few exercises related to Shanach. अस्माभिः किं ज्ञातं शत्रु प्रत्ययस्य एव भिन्नरीत्या आत्मनेपदी धातूनां शानच् इति भिन्न समानार्थे परन्तु रूपस्य प्रत्ययः तु तत्र आन अथवा मान इति भवति। तो तस्य विषये किञ्चित् वयं ज्ञातवन्तः। केचन अभ्यासान् अपि कृतवन्तः। तो याचते इति यद्रूपमस्ति तत्र अते इति भवति। तो तर्हि बहुवचने याचन्ते इति अस्ति तस्य याचमानः इति भवति। सो अते याचते अते इति अकारान्तः याच इति मानयोगः भवति। कुत्रापि णत्वमपि भवितुम् अर्हति, नकारस्य णत्वं भवितुम् अर्हति। तद्विषये अपि किञ्चित् ज्ञातवन्तः। यत्र अकारान्तः प्रातिपदिकं धातुभागः अकारान्तः न भवति तत्र आन इति योगः न तु मान इति मकारस्य प्रसक्तिः न भवति। कुर्वाणः तत्र किम् अस्ति कुरुते इति उते इति अस्ति न तु अते इति। कुरु इति उकारान्तः तु तस्य बहुवचनरूपं लट् लकारे कुर्वते इति तत् स्वीकृत्य कुर्वाणः इति। तु बहुवचनरूपं किमर्थं दर्शितमस्ति? बहुवचनरूपं दृष्ट्वा किञ्चित् धातोः परिवर्तनं कथम् इति ज्ञास्यामः। एकवचनं दृष्ट्वा तत्र आनः इति वा मानः इति वा इति जानीमः। अते इति अस्ति चेत् मानः, अन्यस्मिन् रूपे यथा उते एते एतादृशी रूपाणि यत्र सन्ति तत्र आन इत्येव। णत्वं तु भवितुम् अर्हति इति दृष्टं। तत्र आनः इत्यस्य आणः इत्यपि भवितुं शक्यते कुत्रापि। तु एवं ज्ञातवन्तः। द्वितीय अभ्यासे वयं किं कृतवन्तः? एकवचने दत्तमासीत् भजमाना भक्ता इति, तस्य बहुवचनरूपं भजमानाः भक्ताः इति। अत्र किं कृतमस्ति? शानच् प्रत्ययस्य भिन्नभिन्नलिङ्गे कथं रूपम् इति एकत्र अस्माभिः पठ्यते। अत्र स्त्रीलिङ्ग नपुंसकलिङ्ग पुल्लिङ्गयोः मिश्रणमपि भवति। तद्दृष्ट्वा अस्माभिः करणीयं। तु स्त्रीलिङ्गे मानाः इति भवति। तु तथैव बहुवचने बहुमाना शोभमाना इत्येव। तु तत् किञ्चित् भिन्नरीत्या एकवचने भजमाना भजमानः अथवा शोभमानः इति। तु एकवचने किञ्चित् भिन्नत्वं, बहुवचने समानरूपं दृश्यते स्त्रीलिङ्गे पुल्लिङ्गे अपि। परन्तु नपुंसके तु यथा फलशब्दस्य रममाणानि एवं फलानि तावत्। तत्तु वयं दृष्टवन्तः। प्रायः एतदपि दृष्टवन्तः वयं। पुल्लिङ्गे कथं स्त्रीलिङ्गे कथम् एवं सर्वं, यत्र मान इति भवति यत्र आन इति भवति तदपि किञ्चित् दृष्टम् अस्माभिः। अस्तु, इदानीं किं कुर्मः? एतत् सर्वं कृतम् अस्माभिः। अग्रे गत्वा किञ्चित् यत् शिष्टमस्ति तस्य भागस्य अभ्यासान् कृत्वा अग्रे गमिष्यामः। क्षममाणा माता इति अस्ति। तु तस्य एव इदानीं बहुवचने कथम् इति अस्माभिः अत्र किं दत्तमस्ति बहुवचनान्तरूपाणि लिखत एवं तु क्षममाणा माता इत्यस्य द्वयोः अपि बहुवचनं कर्तव्यं हा प्रयत्नं क्रियते चेत् वक्तुं शक्नुवन्ति चेत् वदन्तु क्षममाणा माता इत्यस्य
क्षममाणाः मातरः
हा माता मातरौ मातरः बहु सम्यक् भगिनी क्षममाणाः मातरः स्त्रीलिङ्गे अस्ति गृह्णानः शिक्षकः
गृह्णानाः शिक्षकाः
गृह्णानाः शिक्षकाः इति पुल्लिङ्गे जानानः अधिकारी
अधिकारिणः
अधिकारी इत्यस्य पुल्लिङ्गशब्दमेव तु ईकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग नकार अधिकारिन् इति तस्य अधिकारी कथं भवति अधिकारिणः इति भवति ओके पुल्लिङ्गे अधिकारिन् इति नकारान्तशब्दः तत् पठितव्यम् एकवारम् अस्माभिः तो जानानाः अधिकारिणः जानानाः किम् इत्युक्ते those who are knowing so these are hopefully some adhikaris who know what they are doing so jananaah adhikarinah the administrators or the chiefs who know what they are doing the administrators, chiefs, whatever you want to call adhikari as officers.
And the other one, adite. What do you mean by adite, sir? Adite. In the previous adite, adiyate. What is the meaning, sir?
Where you are
left hand side, the fourth one, sir.
See whether you're saying alpaprana dakara or mahaprana dakara. We have to see adhiya is there, adhite, right?
Adite.
So
meaning
to put something in the dhi, that is the mind, that means to learn. Okay, to learn. Okay, so grunha jana jananah chinvana sakhi chinvanaah sakyah. So chinvana means the one who is selecting. So chinvana sakhi means the friend, lady friend who is selecting something. Okay, so chinvanaah sakyah. So kimapi kutrapi gatva chinvanaah sakyah tatra santi iti kimapi prayogam kartum shaknumah. Kurvana karyakartri now I heard two different variants. कर्त्र्यः वा कर्तरयः वा
कर्त्रयः
कर्त्रयः त्रयः कर्त्र्यः ओके तत्र अक्षरद्वयं न करणीयम् अस्माभिः ओके कर्त्र्यः कर्त्र्यः त्र्यः त्र्यः कर्त्र्यः ओके नाट् कर्तर्यः आर् कर्तरी कर्तर्यः कर्त्र्यः कर्त्र्यः Kartaryaha, if you do extra tha is heard, no, that is mistake. Kartriyaha. So the takara, repamsha. See, this is a very important one. See, there is an attack repa, then there is a release repa. Okay. Okay. So kar. So the attack repa goes with kakara. Kar, t, r, y, ha, aha. Okay. So kartriyaha. It's a little tough one, but yeah. So कर्त्री इति शब्द जायमानं सस्यं सस्यानि very good you see sasyam immediately hints at napumsaka so jayamanani sasyani iti bhavati okay jayamanani sasyani napumsake very good okay see this kartri is a ikaranta strilinga shabda in its original form as it is coming from the kru dhatu. The first krudanta form is kartru rikaranta pullinga shabda. Okay, so kartru. Then when you attach the stri pratyaya to it from the pullinga pratipadika, we can go to strilinga pratipadika. So then it becomes kartri like that. Okay, all right. आवरणे दत्तानां क्रियापदानां शानजन्तरूपैः रिक्तस्थलानि पूरयत. So given in the space given of those verbs, the shanaj ending forms in the empty spaces you fill. Okay, so that means avarana is bracket. Okay, avarana is this bracket. I mean some kind of enclosed place is avarana. Okay, okay. So lajjate is the one given. Dash kanya maunam ashritavati lajjamana kanya. So what we have to look for? Oh, it's atmanepadi, so I have to use shanach. Of course, in this exercise everything is shanach. So then it is strilinga and prathama ekavachana. So accordingly lajjamana I have to go. Lajjate has ate ending, so makara will be heard. So lajjamana, lajjate, lajjete, lajjante. So lajjamana, like that we have to go. So the shying girl, the silence she went under. I mean, she resorted to that kind of ashritavati. So the girl who was feeling shy, she resorted to or decided to be quiet. That sense is there. All right. Kashtani dash sa prabudha jata sahate.
Sahamana.
Sahamana sa strilinge again. Okay, strilinge prathama ekavachane kashtani sahamana. Ate iti asti, so mana iti. Sahamana sa prabudha jata. So what is the meaning? Difficulties, the one who was withstanding, the lady who was withstanding difficulties, she became older. I mean, she grew. Prabuddha. Pravruddha is gold. So I think here it is became intelligent, smarter. Okay. Little bit that sense. Okay. Dash vikasaha upanetrena vina karyalayam gatavan. Tvarate.
Tvaramana.
Tvaramana. Tvaramana va naha va.
नत्वं वरमाणः
Okay. Okay. At kup at letter is up to higher at. So here it is having rakara makara. Okay. So makara is not going to block. Okay. At kup papa baba ma, so is a pavarga letter, so doesn't block. Okay, so the first thing is the Paninian formula. If you know, even if you are confused, you can quickly reconstruct. Okay, all right. Dash vriddha.
Sir, that spelling is wrong. Chinvanaha sakyaha. Chinvanaha you have written.
There is a mistake there. Okay. Thanks.
Sir, you can correct Sahamana also.
I will do so. Sahamana, mana. So it looks like I have done this in some midnight oil or something. Lot of mistakes. Sorry. Okay. All right. So Tvaramanaha vikasaha. Okay, we got that. Next, dash vriddha kapi paniyam patum ichchati. Jrumbate.
जृम्भमाणः
See, makaraha, bakaraha. Dvau api pavarge eva. Pa, pa, bha, bha. So makara and bhakara are not able to block the influence of the r. Okay, which acts like a. Again, I have another mistake here. My God. Part of error. Sorry. Okay, so they are unable to block the anatva from happening. So that happens. Jrumbamanaha, like that. What is Jrumbamanaha? The
Yawning.
old man
Yawning.
is yawning. Correct. Yawning. Okay. This kapi paniyam is a nipata. We know kapi is not a Sanskritam word. It is a accepted pratipadika as a derivative from English. So kapi paniyam. Okay, I think Chandravarya's house is still celebrating, looks like. Dhenoho padaha dash santi.
कंपमान
कंपमानाः
कंपमानाः
पादाः इति
सन्ति
बहुवचने अस्ति कंपमानाः सन्ति. So of the cow the feet are shaking. Okay, कंपमानाः सन्ति. Very good. Dash भिक्षुक्यः भिक्षुकी इति भिक्षुक्यः देवालयस्य पुरतः उपविष्टवत्यः याचन्ते.
याचमानाः
याचमानाः भिक्षुक्यः देवालयस्य पुरतः उपविष्टवत्यः. So the begging lady beggars in front of the temple, they sat down. Dash mitram mam ahutavan modate.
मोदमानं
Mitram napumsake. Modamanam mitram mam ahutavan. Okay, so mitram is a napumsaka karta. Sir.
Sir, one doubt, sorry. Did you get the meaning of the second sentence? If I missed out, sorry.
Sorry,
Tvaramanaha
I didn't say. So Tvaramanaha is the fellow who was hurrying. Okay, Tvara you would have used in local languages also. So hurrying, the hurrying fellow by the name Vikas without the specs. Upanetra, netra we know is eye, no? Upanetra is auxiliary eye. Nice construction. So that means it's like a spectacle. So without spectacle, upanetrena vina upapade tritiya. Upanetrena vina, without the spectacle, karyalayam gatavan. He went to the workplace. Okay. So his if he is the boss, his subordinates are happy. He can't find out what mistakes they made. Okay. Anyway, udaharananugunam vakyani parivartayata. Sainikaha yudhyante putran smaranti. So there are two activities given. Okay, so the obviously subject will be common, otherwise we cannot string it into one continuous Satranta type, though of course with another complicated variation you can. But anyway, in this simple style, Sainikaya is the common karta for yudhyante and smaranti. Okay, yudhyante happens to be Atmanepadi. So obviously we have to go with connecting the two into, then the best thing is to put it in Shanadasta. So Yudyamanaha Sainikaha Putran Smaranti. The soldiers who are fighting, they remember their offsprings. Okay, or children, or it can be sons. Archakaha Snanam Kurute Stotrani Vadati.
स्नानं कुर्वाणः अर्चकः स्तोत्राणि
वदति.
You can put archakaha after or before, no problem. Both are okay. There is no particular huge difference meaning. It's kind of nice to put it in the middle because those who are doing that, they do this like that. Okay. So snanam kurvanaha archakaha stotrani vadati. Snanam kurvanaha. So kurute kurvate. So kurvanaha. Okay. So that kurute bahuvachana, if you write, then you will know vakara will come. So you go with, and it is ute. So there is no ma business, ana business. Anatva is due to this repa here. Vakara is not blocking it. Vakara is part of the at letters. The at pratyahara includes vakara. See, hayavarat. So vakara is included as a non-blocker. Okay, transparent letter. Okay. What is this? The archaka, the one who prays to the god on our behalf in the temple, as he was doing his bathing, or as he was bathing, he tells the stotras. Okay. Ashwini vakyam prayunkte chitrani darshayati.
वाक्यं प्रयुज्यमान अश्वनी चित्राणि दर्शयति.
Very good. Very good. Prayujyamana. Prayunjana. So there is prayunkte, unkte, kte. So there is no ate business. There is a kte, unkte. Kakara is there before the takara. Okay. There is no akara before the takara. So there is no makara here. So prayunjana iti. Okay, this one is a tough declension. We have to go check the bahuvachana of that. I wish I had done that work here on the right side. Maybe next time I will try to improve for that reason. So I think we should write the first three vachana forms of this and then that will become easier. So prayunjana. So yeah, by sometimes in this one, we might end up saying prayunjamana or something, but look for the ate is not there. See, kte is there. Kakara is there before the te. It's not easy to find out, but it is there. Okay. All right. Vakyam Prayunjana Ashwini Chitrani Darshayati. So the girl by the name Ashwini who was using a certain sentence, okay, she shows the picture or many pictures she shows. Okay. I mean, I'm not able to connect what is this Vakyam that she is doing pronouncing, but whatever. I mean, she was orally describing the picture. That's how you can take it in.
Like there are some terms, sir. Like this picture painting is very grotesque. Some terms are there of artists. They may say this is abstract, this is grotesque, this is realistic.
Okay,
something
okay.
like that. Maybe
She was
something like that.
describing the classification. So maybe for that they have used this term Vakyam Prayunjana, something like that. Perhaps.
So
Is it the technical term used for every form, every particular subject?
Madam, what's your question again?
Could it be a technical term used in that specific field of subject?
No. See, in Sanskritam at this level, all it means is she was pronouncing some sentence or using some sentences. Okay. So using some sentences, Ashwini shows the pictures. Okay. Obviously, the second guess is what sentences she will be using. She'll be using, like Bhagini said, descriptive sentences about the nature of the picture. That is kind of correct.
So it is a presentation, like.
Yeah. But you can use Vakyam Prayunjana in any context.
Sir, supposing instead of that Vakyam Prayunjana, if you write Ashwini Vakyam Prayunjana Chitrani Tarshyati.
No problem. You can put Ashwini in the beginning, put Vakyam Prayunjana, and then put Chitrani Darshyati. There is no confusion. But only problem is, you should see Chitrani is also Karmapada. Okay, and Vakyam is also Karmapada. Okay, so if we displace them like too far, for example, if you say Ashwini Chitrani Prayunjana Vakyam Darshayati, it could lead to total confusion in the listener. Okay, what sentence is she showing by using pictures? That is also possible in a grammar class. So we cannot rule it out. So usually the Karmapada better to place close to the Kriya to which it belongs. Okay? Otherwise, especially when there is a common karta, it could lead to confusion. Both are karma. So which karma goes with which? We have seen in Anvaya Krama also. One of the major decision is which the dhatu gets the ownership of a particular namapada, karma or karta. Like that is also a careful decision we have to make.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
So don't displace too much. That's all. Mitram shete swapnalapam karoti. Oh.
Shayanam mitram swapnalapam karoti.
Shete, sherate. What are the three forms? Shete.
Shayaman, shayanah, shayamana, shayanam. Those are the three forms. Sir, if you see on page number 121, it is given Shete becomes Sherate and then Shayamana.
I think it was there, right? In the list we studied.
On page number 121.
I will quickly take it. 121. Shete, Sherate. They haven't given the Dvivachana form, Sherete or something like that maybe. Okay. Shete, Sherete, Sherate, like that. And then Shayanaha is the Shanajanta Rupam. So Shayanaha will become the Bhuvachana. So here it's anyway Ekavachana. We don't have that problem. Mitram. So Shayanaha. But it is Mitram Napumsaka. Okay. So Shayanam iti bhavati. Okay. Shayanam mitram swapnalapam karoti. So swapnalapa is a kind of maybe stuttering in the dream, I think. Stuttering in the dream, or maybe just enjoying the swapna. Like alapa, Alapa generally means making some sound. So, but maybe it's in a different sense here that he's enjoying the swapna like that. Okay. So shayanam mitram swapnalapam karoti.
So can it mean sleep talking?
That's what I was trying to tell. You could kind of tell that he's doing dream talk. Yeah. छात्राः सम्यक् अधीयते उत्तमान् अंकान् प्राप्नुवन्ति.
छात्राः सम्यक् अधीयानाः उत्तमान् अंकान् प्राप्नुवन्ति.
उत्तमान् अंकान् प्राप्नुवन्ति. अधीयानाः. So basically we have to just look at the karta and this and go. Rest we just drop in. Nothing changes. Okay. Samyak is a visheshana to the kriya. So the it is a visheshana to this adhi dhi dhatuni. Okay. So छात्राः सम्यक् अधीयानाः उत्तमान् अंकान् प्राप्नुवन्ति अथवा सम्यक् अधीयानाः छात्राः. It is a slightly better order. सम्यक् अधीयानाः छात्राः उत्तमान् अंकान् प्राप्नुवन्ति. There won't be any confusion if we go that way. ललनाः sorry, I'll open that. ललनाः सुन्दरं भाषन्ते जनान् आकर्षन्ति. आहा.
ललनाः सुन्दरं भाषमाणाः जनान् आकर्षन्ति.
Is there a nakara or nakara? Natva is
Nakara, natvam, bhashanaः.
Very good, very
Because
good. Sha is there. Okay. Sha and repha both influence the natva. In some cases, even r influences a natva because it has a repamsha. Okay. Sundaram bhashamanaः lalanaः janan akarshayanti. So the young ladies who are chit-chatting or speaking beautifully, okay, they attract the crowd. Okay, all right. Kitaah badhante sasyani nashayanti.
कीटाः बाधमानाः सस्यानि नाशयन्ति.
Badhamanaah kitaah sasyani nashayanti. The insects that are troubling, okay, causing havoc almost, sasyani nashayanti, they destroy the plants. Rajakumarah shobhate sabham pravishati.
Rajkumarah shobhamanah
I heard a dirgha somewhere.
Shobhamanah
Manah hrisva. Okay, shobhamanah. So shobhamanah Rajakumarah sabham pravishati. So the prince who was shining enters the sabha or the hall. Sannyasi, see here, samnyasi. We should not forget this samnyasi. Okay, but pronunciation goes sannyasi like that. Okay, sannyasi spandate, kshamyatam. Sannyasi spandate pariharam suchayati.
Spandamanaः samnyasi pariharam suchayati.
Spandamanaः pullinge. Spandamanaः sannyasi pariharam suchayati. What is this spandamana business? Spandana means to vibe, to think in a resonant way. Okay, that means one who is understanding the trouble that is afoot, reflecting upon that trouble and reacting to it properly. So all that is there in the spandana. Okay. So the sannyasi who was contemplative and understanding of the trouble, he suggested a solution. Yes, Mahodaya.
Responding.
You can use it in a very simple way as simple response, but spandana is it's a little more than it is a resonant response. Okay.
It is more depth. It is
suitable and resonant response, not some totally useless response. Yeah.
A simple response.
Yeah. It's a deeper word than just a response. Yeah.
Something like spawning, sir. Spawning.
No. Not spawning. More like resonating sense. Okay. All right. So that was a good series of exercises. Let me just mute everyone to reduce the background noise. Okay, guys. All right. So, Padasangraha. यथा महोदयः उक्तवान् गतसप्ताहे किञ्चित् प्रयोगान् कृत्वा पश्यामः एकस्य बन्ध् इति धातोः एव प्रयोगान् कृत्वा एकवारं पश्यामः। प्रथमतया धातूनां नामानि अपि च तेषाम् अर्थं जानीमः। बन्ध् टु टै, बन्ध् टु टै, ब्रूयि टु स्पीक्, ब्रूयि टु स्पीक्. Okay, obviously this E is a it akshara, looks like, because only brew is seen everywhere. Okay, brewing to speak. Bhu to be, bhu to be, very important dhatu, bhavati. Okay, brahmu to roam about, brahmana, we know brahmana. Okay, so brahmu to roam about. Okay, then brasj, brasj to fry. Okay, see, its dhatu form is less familiar, but we know all this bhujia, bijia business we say in Hindi, it is from this dhatu only, the fritters. So brijjati, fries. So it's very useful dhatu for us. Okay, we may not be aware of all the forms, so it's not an easy one, but we identify it in the bhujia as we use in Hindi. Okay, all right. It is slightly related to bhojana, but it's different. I don't know whether bhujia comes from bhojana or bhrasj. It sounds like comes brasj. It maybe comes from brasj dhatu. I'm wondering whether this bras sakara is there here. Shakara is also seen. What happens to the sakara in these forms? It will be interesting to see what kind of prakriya happens to that dhatu. Anyway, let's come back to the bandh dhatu and attempt a few sentences. Okay, so let me invite somebody to try them out here. Let me call someone who is whom I have not called so far. Nitin Parikh, sir, are you available? Nitin Parikh, can you unmute? No, not unmuting. Nitin Parikh. Okay, maybe Mahodaya. Ah, he's unmuted now. Mahodaya, can you try some sentences for Badnati?
Badnati.
Police ties the robber. Try that in Sanskritam.
Police.
Arakshakaha.
Arakshakaha.
Yashoda. Choram Damodara Badnati.
Chorah Badnati.
Choram, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay, you have to go to karma position. So, Arakshakaha Choram Badnati. Okay, don't get disturbed by the ladies. They are very overpowering. You keep trying. Okay. Now, the same sentence, Mahodaya, Nitin Mahodaya, same sentence, can you convert it to Karmani Prayoga using Bhadyate?
Krishnaha.
Bhagini, please, you are not Nitin Parikh. Please wait. Let him try.
Okay.
Araksha. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Arakshak.
See what happens in Karmani Prayoga, sir. Can you recall? See,
yes, it's a Dvitiya Vibhakti and then
no. Karma pada which was in Dvitiya Vibhakti goes to Prathama Vibhakti.
Yes.
Okay. And then Karta who was in Prathama Vibhakti goes to Tritiya Vibhakti. So Arakshakaha has to go to Tritiya Ekavachana. What will be the form?
Arakshakena.
Arakshakena. Arakshakena. Ramena. Like that. Arakshakena. Bhaginis cannot keep quiet.
Today I'm not able to do.
Don't worry, no worry. See, simple. See, Arakshakaha Choram Badnati. Arakshakena. I think Natva happens maybe. Arakshakena Choraha Bhadyate. Choraha it will become. He will go to Prathama. Okay, Choraha Bhadyate. So the robber is bound by the policeman. And here policeman binds the robber. Subtle difference in the what you call the active and passive nature of the sentences. Okay, like this. Okay, thank you, Mahodaya. Thanks for trying. So similarly, here you see the future tense has a bansyati, like that. Just let me mute because again I'm getting background noise. Okay, so bandsyati, so will tie. Okay, so shvaha arakshakah choram bandsyati iti asha asmakam. So tomorrow the policeman will tie the robber. So is our expectation. I extended it a little bit towards it using iti. Okay, bandhavyam bandhaniyam. Choraha sarvada bandhavyaha. Okay, the robber should be always tied. Okay, so
sir, arakshake won't become na, no? It will be na only, no?
Araksha, kshakara has a sha element.
Which will prevent it from becoming na.
No. That sha will influence rinatva.
So it will not become na, no?
No. See, arakshakaha, arakshakan, ksha has a shakara. Won't that shakara influence the across the kakara, the rinatva?
That's what. So the sha will not allow it to become na.
So that is arakshaka, but ksha itself has a shakara, no? That shakara.
No, that shakara is shakara, no, not ksha. It's not shakara.
No. It is murdhanya shakara only. Arakshaka.
Yes.
Murdhanya shakara only. So it does influence rinatva. Anyway, we will cross check the rules whether there is any exception other than the basic two rules. Okay.
Yeah.
Good question to have. So like this, guys. So baddaha. So this is kta. So ravanaha baddaha abhavat. So here Sita baddha abhavat. Okay. Mitram baddham abhavat. So like that we can qualify it to a different linga set. Baddhavan. So became the fellow who tied somebody else. So Ramaha Ravanam baddhavan. Sharaihi baddhavan. So with arrows he tied him up like that. Okay. Baddhavati. Okay. Then Badnan, this is our Shatranta. Okay, Badnan, Badnati. So here again Nakara is not heard. See Badnan, Badnati. So let us use Badnati for example. Okay, so Rajjum, Badnati, Rama. Sahodaram Paritoshakam Dattavati something. Okay, Rajjum Badnati Rama Sahodaram Paritoshakam Dattavati. So the Rama who, as she was tying the thread, Rajju I used. Rajju is not a good translation for a simple thread, but it's okay. Rajjuna Badyate, that is Karmani Prayoga. Okay. All right. So like this. So you guys have to try sentences like this. I won't, of course, do for everything. Otherwise, we'll be there whole day. So let's keep.
Sir, Raksha Bandhanam Badnati Anuja Modati.
Badnati. Correct. Raksha Bandham Badnati Anuja Modati.
Bandham.
Modate. Atmane.
Modate. Sorry.
Rajjum Badnati Yashoda Krishnam Atadayati.
Krishna Tadayati no. She will never tie. She will never hit Krishna. Tadayati iti na bhavitam. Tatra. Pidayati maybe.
Scold we can say.
Tarjayati.
Tarjayati is acceptable. Very good. So here you see some more examples. So Shrunotu Varye Bruhi Sake. So here you respected lady, then she says Bruhi Sake, tell me my friend, like that. This kind of uses.
Bruhi Kundehi. Bruhi Kundehi.
Not Dehi. It is Deti.
Not Dehi, it's Deti.
Bruhi Mukundeti.
Bruhi Mukunda iti. Tell Mukunda like that. Yeah. Bruhi Mukunda iti. So Bruhi is like lot. Okay. All right. So some other examples here. For example, Obalikaha Astarikaha cha Brahmyataha. So both Obelix and Asterix they roam. So we can kind of pick up the obviously foreign names, slightly adjust it to be, congruent pronunciation in Hindi, but sorry, in Sanskritam, without what you call going far afield, so that we can still recognize. So astarikaha, obilikaha, this kind of translations are kind of nice to bring into Sanskrit.
Alakshendra.
Alakshendra, Alexander. Okay. So like Prahelika. अद्यतन puzzle. वृक्षाग्रवासी न च पक्षिजातिः तृणं च शय्या न च राजयोगी. क्षम्यतां, some sound, yeah. तृणं च शय्या न च राजयोगी आपीतवर्णो न च हेमधातुः अतश्च ताम्रः surasah ka eshah. Very easy to understand this verse. This is one of the easier ones. With all my picture, it becomes even easier. But anyway, vrikshagravasi nacha pakshi jatihi. Whatever I intend to name, it is a vrikshagravasi. Vriksha we know is tree. Agra means top or tip. Vasi means the one who stays. So the one who stays on top of a tree. Nacha pakshi jatihi, but it is not a bird, not a species of bird. Okay, first clue. Trinam cha shayya nacha raja yogi. So its bed is actually straw, but it is not raja yogi. Raja yogis are supposed to sleep on the ground. No? So of course here is our bear yogi. Okay, so Trinam cha shayya nacha raja yogi. But it is not Raja Yogi. Okay, second clue. Apita varnaha nacha hema dhatuhu utva. Apita varnaha nacha hema dhatuhu. It is of exclusive yellow color. It is something of yellowish color. Okay. Nacha hema dhatuhu, but not the golden metal. Okay, not the golden metal. So it is golden, but it is not gold, like that. Atascha tamraha surasaha kaha eshaha. Visargalopa. Surasaha kaha eshaha, with juice. Who is this? Okay. And atascha tamraha. Atascha can be broken as ataha cha tamraha. And therefore it is coppery colored, coppery hued. And it is filled with rasa, who is, or atascha tamraha, later we will find out, can also be interestingly solved in a cryptic way. Okay, using Paninian techniques of letter constructions. Okay, so this is answer is very easy almost. It's on top of a tree. It is not a bird. It uses a bed of straw as its bed, but it is not a yogi. It is having golden color, but it is not gold. And it is having coppery color sometimes also, and it is having juice, surasa. The answer is very obvious, guys. Okay, this one is the easiest prahelika I have encountered so far. Mango in Sanskritam. Am is Hindi. Amraha athwa amraphalam. Okay. Here it is just amraha. Okay. Because everywhere pullinga question. See, surasaha, varnaha, apita varnaha, okay, raja yogi. So every other thing is in pullinga. So clear. See, even vrikshagravasi is a pullinga prayoga there. At least we have to take it for extension as pullinga prayoga. So clearly the word has to be in pullinga. So amraha. Okay, so amraphalam, if you construct, will be a napumsaka linga. Same, it's also correct answer, but it's in napumsaka. So it is amraha. Why it is just amraha? Here is the direct cryptic clue in the green block. Okay, ataha cha tamraha. Instead of ataha, to take the meaning therefore, because therefore doesn't contribute anything. If you take the meaning as a negation, ataha without takara, using Paninian type of technique. Ataha without takara. Ataha cha tamraha. So if you remove the takara from tamraha, what you get? Amraha. Direct clue is there from solving that in that way. Atah cha chatamraha. So the tamra without the takara is amraha. Amraha surasaha. Very easy to answer now. Amraha is the answer, directly there embedded. So that's why I said this Prahelika is too easy. Okay. Two meanings, therefore and without the letter ta. Of course, this is only grammarian's world.
What is nudatu?
Nudatu means press. My mouse I have to press. Yeah. Nudatu, I am telling myself that. Nudatu is lot, you press. Bhavan nudatu. Like. Okay. All right, so we still have some time for our break. So let us look at this Subhashitam. Couple of Subhashitams that come here. Okay. So maybe some Bhagini can read for us. Let's invite Kalpana Bhagini. Kalpana Bhagini. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Can you read it, Bhagini?
Yes, sir. Satyam tapo jnana mahim satam cha vidvat pranamam cha sushilatam cha etani yo dharayate sa vidvan na tatra shastra yayanam hi
Shastradhyayanam. Shastradhyayanam.
Shastrayayanam hi karanam.
Yeah, Dakara is there. Dakara. So Shastradhyayanam.
Shastrabhyayanam hi karanam.
Karanam. Dha, not ba, dha. Okay, well done. So let's, thanks Bhagini. So let's take the reading slowly again. Satyam tapo jnanam ahimsatam cha vidvat pramanam cha sushilatam cha etani yo dharayate sa vidwan natatra shastradhyayanam hi karanam. It's very, very straightforward, very easy to decode. Satyam, the truth. Tapaha, austerity. Jnanam, the knowledge. Ahimsata. Ahimsata is in, of course, in Dvitiya Vibhakti here. So the non-violence, that sense. Okay, not troubling another life. Cha and vidvat pramanam. Okay.
So it is pranamam, no?
Pranamam, Kshamitam, pramanam, no. Pranamam. I made a mistake. Vidvat pranamam. So that means vidvat you can separate out, but vidvat pranamam is the respect for panditya, that kind of sense. Vidvat pranamam. Cha sushilatam cha. So having good behavior. Sushilatam cha. Okay, these kind of things. So being truthful, being austere, being knowledgeable, being what you call
Violent.
non-violent, yeah, non-violent, and being respectful of knowledge of others, or being respectful of knowledgeable people, and having the sense of lajja is sushilata. Okay, that means when a man starts losing lajja, we say then he becomes a dangerous person. Okay, that means nothing is now beyond him, because
Sir, Sushilata is not good conduct.
yeah, it's but here Sheila is in the sense of
Discipline or habit?
being
Habit.
yeah, it is in
Habit
the end
and discipline.
good behavior. It is good behavior, but the good behavior usually ensues from having the sense of lajja. That's all. Okay. Also, anyway, you're right. Good behavior is enough to say.
So it doesn't pertain to good habits or discipline.
You go. It is more about conduct towards others sense. Yeah. Okay. So etani yo. 1 second. It's coming. Yeah. Etani yo dharayate. Etani yah dharayate. The one who wears these. And here etani. They have taken the napumsaka form for some reason, because they have taken the major item as one of the Napumsaka forms. Otherwise, or maybe you should let the Kavi have his linga there, regardless of the variety lingas that exist, because for prasa it fits nicely etani, so no problem. So he has taken Napumsaka Bahuvachana. Etani yaha dharayate, the one who wears these. What do you mean by wearing these? One who has these qualities, that kind of sense. Saha Vidwan, he is indeed the fellow who can be called Vidwan. Okay. Na tatra shastradhyayanam hi karanam. One doesn't become a Vidwan only because he reads the Shastras. Shastradhyayanam hi karanam means the reading of the Shastras only is the reason. Na, not only the reason in attaining these qualities. So what is the Bodha is, don't worry about opening big granthas and learning this. These are normal humane bhavas that any normal human being should develop. So develop them. Okay, and so learn from the behavior of others. So how? Vidvat pranamam. Okay, so by respectful of other Vidwans and listening to their sayings, etc. That kind of thing. So nice. Okay.
Sir. Sir, one question. This Shastra Dhyayanam which is there, we cannot break it into two words like Shastra Adhyayanam. Or it has to be one complete word.
Good question. Good question. See, not in the simplistic way you did. It is a samasta pada. Okay. Samasta pade kim bhavati tatra shastra iti pratipadikam shishyate. Shastrasya adhyayanam iti shastradhyayanam shashti tatpurusha samasa. Okay, that means the study of Shastras. That of Shastras is delisted when we go to Samastapada. Shastradhyayanam is Shastrasya adhyayanam. So you cannot break it as Shastraha adhyayanam. They are meaningless combinations, right? Shastrasya adhyayanam. Okay. So when we break the Samastapada, we have to replace it with what we call a Vigraha Vakya. Okay. Vigrahana means to separate. Okay. So the Vigraha Vakya will usually contain some new word or some Vibhakti inclusion in the first part, etc. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
You can only hyphenate at best. Shastra hyphen adhyayana. There is a Savarna Dirgha Sandhi as part of that samasa. Okay. Shastra plus adhyayanam, Shastra adhyayanam. We can see the sandhis very easily. Tapo, tapaha, uttva. Okay. Satyam, instead of halantamakara, the bindu because of the vyanjana here. Anuswara sandhi. Like this, many anuswara sandhis are there. Some yo, yaha, so another uttva. Okay, and then Shastra Adhyayanam has a Savarna Dirgha, but as an internal sandhi. It is not a sandhi between two words like that.
Okay,
in fact, even Sushilata, it's a Samasta Pada again. Sushtu Shilata, Sushilata iti. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
In the picture also, you have written Vidvat Pramanam instead of Pranamam.
Correct. Looks like my brain is permanently twisted in the wrong way in reading that. Thanks, Bhagini. See, actually, there is something called Vidvat Pramanam also. I am influenced by that. Vidvat Pramanam means the proof type of thing. A scientific proof type of thing. But it's okay. It is here more respect for the Vidwans. Vidvat Pranamam.
Exactly. I was just wondering, how does Vidvat Pramanam go with that sentence? So Pranamam will go exactly. So.
Yeah, Vidvat Pramanam will be very heavy. That sounds like Shastra Adhyayana.
Exactly.
Yeah, you can extrapolate. You can extrapolate it to like giving authority to Vidvat Pramanam. It will go with Shastra Adhyayanam.
Correct. Yeah, it will go with Shastra Adhyayana. It's too heavy. Mahodaya is right. The correct word is Pranama. Just having the Bhakti Bhava is enough for a simple approach. Okay, good. What is it? Satyam Vaktavyam Asmabihi Tapaha Acharaniyaha Jnanam Arjaniyam Ahimsa Palaniya Vidvat Pranamam. I will be very careful. Vidvat Pranamam Sadhaniyam. Okay, Sushilata Rakshaniya. So Shastra Adhyayanam api karaniyam. Na karaniyam iti na tatparyah atra. Astu va? न करणीयम् इति न तु तात्पर्यः। शास्त्राध्ययनेन एतत् सर्वं एवमेव न आगमिष्यन्ति। तत्र शास्त्राध्ययनं करोतु नाम, परन्तु लोके व्यवहारेण एव एतेषां साधनम् इति उक्तिः, कवेः उक्तिः। कविः इति शब्दः, कवेः इति षष्ट्याम्। अस्तु, एकवारं पुनः पठामः। सत्यं तपो ज्ञानमहिंसतां च विद्वत्प्रणामं च सुशीलतां च एतानि यो धारयते स विद्वान् न तत्र शास्त्राध्ययनं हि कारणम्। Good. I think we have spent enough time. You guys can go through the splits, etc. Very straightforward. Okay. So these kind of extension tatparya will be nice in Sanskritam. See, once we are what we are taught is in Sanskritam. Suppose we have to write the tatparya, these kind of things we can extend this kind of way. Okay. So you don't have to go with the straight vibhakti of what is there. You can go to asmabhihi satyam, okay, maya satyam vaktavyam or asmabhihi satyam vaktavyam evam evam vaktum shaknumaha. भिन्नरीत्या. Astu. Kare shlag. Oh, let me invite someone.
Shall I read, sir?
Your good name, Bhagini?
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi Kumar. Please read, Bhagini.
करे श्लाघ्यस्त्यागः शिरसि गुरुपादप्रणयिता मुखे सत्यावाणी विजयी भुजयोर्वीर्यमतुलं हृदि स्वच्छावृत्तिः श्रुतमधिगतं च श्रवणयोः विनाप्यैश्वर्येण प्रकृतिमहतां मण्डनमिदम्।
पुनः एकवारं भगिनि।
करे श्लाघ्यस्त्यागः शिरसि गुरुपादप्रणयिता मुखे सत्यावाणी विजयी भुजयोर्वीर्यमतुलं हृदि स्वच्छावृत्तिः श्रुतमधिगतं च श्रवणयोः विनाप्यैश्वर्येण प्रकृतिमहतां मण्डनमिदम्।
Wow, superb, Bhagini.
Beautiful.
Superb.
Beautiful.
We really enjoyed it.
It was really.
This is Narayaniam tunes.
Narayaniam tune, very nice.
Very nice. Okay. All right. So, kare shlagyah. Okay. Tyagah. So, shlagyah has to be taken as the common, more or less, thing for all the other sets. Okay. Kare, in the hand, tyagaha, the sense of giving, shlaghya is appreciable, is appreciated, like that. Okay, so that means the sense of dana is the decoration, appreciable thing on the hand. Okay, shirasi gurupada pranayita, on the head, Saptami, Shirasi, on the head, upon the head, Gurupada Pranayita, the sense of, the feet of the Guru, okay, are bowing down to the elders is the sense they have taken, which is Guru necessarily doesn't mean only Guru. It can mean any elder also, okay. So, the again, that pranama only is there here. This Subhashita is very closely related in a sense to the meaning of the previous one also. Okay, so it extends in a slightly different direction here and there, but this was there earlier also. Vidvat pranama. So this is pranayita on Guru Pada in head. That means maintaining respect to the elders. By bowing down and touching your head to their feet, that sense. Mukhe satyavani, in the mouth, the truthful word. Strilinga pada vani iti, beautiful. Vijayi bhujayor viryam atulam. Okay, in victory, atulam viryam bhujayoho, of the two shoulders, atulam, enormous, viryam, strength. Okay, virility. Okay, enormous virility of the muscles of the body, you can extend bhuja to mean that virility of the body in victory. Okay, so instead of victory with false words, show the truth strength. You don't have to take it in the physical way. Bhujayor Viryamatulam can be taken in any other sense also. If it is a simple vada vivada, then you should extend it as a mental prowess also. Okay, but here physically they have again Bhujayoho. Hridi Swacha Vrittihi. Okay, in the heart, clean thought or clean actions. Okay, that kind of sense. Okay, that means cleanliness of the heart. Okay, shlagyaha everywhere, like I told, shlagyaha have to take. Kare tyagaha shlagyaha, shirasi gurupada pranayitat shlagyaha, muke satyavani shlagya. Of course, we have to do what you call linga parivartanam. Okay, vani shlagya. Bhujayor Viryamatulam Vijayi Viryamatulam Shalagya Viryam Atulam Shlagyam. Okay, Namaskar. Okay, so then Hridi Swacha Vrittihi Shlagya. See, Strilinga is very clear. Then
Vijayi is not Strilinga, isn't it? Vijayi is not Strilinga.
Vijayi is Saptami Prayoga, in victory, just like Shirasi. So the Shlagya goes with the Pranayita, Atulam, Viryam. It goes with Viryam. Atulam, Viryam, Shlagyam, like that. Okay.
Actually, Bhujayoho will like Kare, Shirasi, Mukhe, it will be Bhujayoho, no?
Or you can take Vijay with Satya, Vijayi, then it wouldn't have been Dirga. Yeah, what is it?
Like Kare, Shirasi, Mukhe, it will be Bhujayoho, no? Bhujayoho will be Saptami, no, here.
But what is Shlagya? Tyagaha Shlagya, not Kare, no?
Tyagaha Shlagya. Kare, Tyagaha Shlagyam.
Viryam Shlagyam.
Bhujayoho,
Vijayi Viryam Shlagyam.
Correct.
Okay. So, Hridi Swacha Vrittihi Shlagya Shravanayoho Adigatam Shrutam Shlagyam. Okay. Shrutam Adigatam cha Shravanayoho. What is Shrutam Adigatam? Here it was all easy. Till now we had not translated. So, Shrutam Adigatam. Shrutam means here generally it's simply in ordinary Sanskrit it means that which is heard. But in a deeper sense, it means the Vedas and such things. Okay. So for the Adhigatam means that which is understood. Okay. So both the thing that is understood.
Vedas is Shruti, na?
Shruta.
Shruti. Vedas is Shruti.
Shrutam means that which is heard. So it can be extended to the Vedas which is heard also. Okay. But here Adhigatam Shrutam means properly understood oral knowledge. Okay. Is the Shlagyam for Shravanayoho of the ears. Okay. Of the 2 ears. So for the 2 ears, the well understood thing that is heard is appreciated like that. Appreciable like that. Okay. Vina api aishwaryena Prakriti Mahatam Mandanamidam. Vinapi Aishwaryena, without even any other dhana and such Aishwarya, without any material richness, without even any material richness, Prakriti Mahatam Mandanamidam. Okay, those who are naturally great. Prakriti Mahatam, of those who are naturally great, Mandanam is decoration. Mandanam idam. This is the their ornament. This kind of sense. Of course, this is their ornament is Mandana in the respective ornaments. So let us see their meaning just to get the correct sense. Shlagyah tyagaha, laudable charity. Kare. They have taken the Shlagyah only for the first set, but technically it extends by default to others. Okay. is for the hand. This is not in a good sense. This translation in English is not in the same vibhakti. Technically, first I would do what we call this vibhakti assimilated transliteration, then go to the English later. Here they have done both in one shot. Okay. All right. So Gurupada Pranayita, bowing down to the elders. Shirasi is for the head. Shlagya. Pranayita, Shlagya, like that. Atulam Vijayi Viryam, enormous strength that brings victory. Bujayoho Shlagyam, something like that. Okay. And Swachavrittihi Hridi Shlagya. So in the heart, what is to be appreciated is clean conduct. Adhigatam Shrutam, well assimilated knowledge. Okay. Of course, Shruti is also one type of thing that can be included under here, but I don't think they mean Vedas here. They just mean any knowledge. Shravanayoho is for the ears. Then Vina api, even without Aishwaryena, material wealth. All this, idam, mandanam is the decoration, prakriti mahatam, for great men. So, of great men. Like Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam, same way, mahatam, Shashti Bahojana. What are the sandhis? Shlagyas tyagah. See, sakara for visarga. Shlagyah tyagah sakara. So, visarga sandhi sakara is listed under here. Bujayor viryamatulam repa. So, bujayoho has become repa. So, visarga repaha. Visarga sandhi repaha. Then vinapi, standard savarna dirgha. Vinapyaishwaryam api aishwaryam pyaishwaryam. So E plus I, yan sandhi is there in that. Okay, yan sandhi, yakara has generated. That's what they have listed. Aishwaryena. Like Prakritim Mahatam is a simple samasa. There is no sandhi there. I mean, there is no sandhi parivartana. There is a simple samyoga. Prakriti Mahatam is obviously samasta pada. Okay. They haven't brought out the sense completely here. For great men, they have said, who are naturally endowed with greatness is the sense of Prakriti Mahatam.
Samastapada means?
Oh, good question, Bhagini. I kind of assumed. See, in Samskrita Vyakarana, you can shorten a phrase, okay, into a single word. Okay, normally this phrase would consist of 2 words typically, with other elided words that may be included in the phrase. For example, the son of Rama. Okay, Ramasya putraha. But you can shorten it in Sanskritam to Rama putraha. Okay, of course that will be Lava or Kusha, but that is secondary. So we can just make it Rama putraha, like that. Okay, for example, Rajakumaraha. So he is a king and he is a son. So Rajakumaraha. Maharajaha. He is great and he is a king. Okay.
Sitapati.
Sitayaha patihi. Sitapatihi for Rama. So all these are shortened compound words. So to say in English, the closest phrase we can use is Samastapada is like a compounded word. Okay. Compounded out of 2 words. You can have more than 2 to make a larger samasa. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
There are some interesting samasas. For example, Mata cha Pita cha Mata Pitarau is the standard construction, right? Mata cha Pita cha Mata Pitarau. You can eliminate the Mata and just use Pitarau to mean Mata Pita, both. Okay, so that is called Ekashesha Dvanda. So it is beautiful subject. And Kovida, please make sure you step into Kovida also. None of you please miss. You have put so much effort in this class. Make sure that you get on to Kovida and keep moving in this world. Kovida will teach you all the Samastapadas beautifully. Okay. Okay, I think we have come to the break time. So let us take a 4-minute break, 12:09. So 12:13, 12:14, around 4 to 5 minutes, we will start with this Kavya Katha. I will choose someone to read for us. Okay. Please take a break, water break at this moment.
Can I talk to you for 1 minute, sir?
Sir, what is the question?
Sir, I'm very sorry. Today, just mind became blank. Shamam karo. Sorry about that.
No problem, Mohodaya. No, keep trying. See, it's suddenly I picked you out of the blue. Maybe you are not expecting. I just want to keep my students a little alert. Anybody could get called. That's all. So don't worry. It is
Next
not
time
any. Don't need to apologize, sir. We are all learners. You notice I also have tons of mistakes I make everywhere. So we are all human. That's okay. Huh?
Just the mind became like.
Yeah, no problem.
Sorry.
You can stay active. Don't worry. That happens to me also in classes. Thank you, sir.
Prayatnam avashyakam.
I have a question. Is it okay to ask you now, Mahodaya?
What is it, Bhagini?
Sir, in page 11, the first lesson of Shishupala see most of the sandhis are listed. So this is like the Visarga sandhi, Ukara and Gathir Bhaved, Repha is removed. So the Repha is added. So Gathir Bhaved, the Gatihi plus Bhaved, Gathir Bhaved. So Putraha Jataha, Putra Jataha, Putropi. So all these are Visarga sandhis that.
So there are 5 variants of Visarga Sandhis and one of them has further subvariants. We will be studying the Visarga Sandhi actually probably starting from the next lesson or later part of this lesson somewhere we are going to start with the Visarga Sandhis. Okay. So it will be an interesting ride to learn. So far we did Vyanjana Sandhis in this earlier classes. From now on, in the next few lessons, we are going to be taught Visarga Sandhis. So we will be able to reconcile the rules. Huh?
We learned it in the 6th lesson itself. See, page 113.
Okay, we already started. Okay.
Yeah, see, in page 11 more, there are quite a lot of Visarga Sandhis. Is that correct, my understanding?
6, yeah, we started in the last lesson only. So all right, we will be learning all of them collectively, and I have made a PDF which I have shared in the WhatsApp group. If you are missing, we will try to share again, not an issue. Okay, where I have assimilated the rule sets for all the sandhis in page by page fashion.
So which means already in page 11 we have Visarga.
Bhagini. Any language when you study, even for a child, na. You have to start with using things and then teach what is the fact. So it cannot be all very mathematical. Little bit of forward backward will be there. Like we use hundreds of samasa padas, but at this moment we don't know how to break them, name them, etc. But at least we know, Rajakumara means one who is a Kumara and a Raja. Sitapati means wife, husband of Sita. Like that we know. How to construct that samasa, how to name it, we don't know. That's all. Okay. Same way with many sandhis, we pretty much know to identify them, but we don't know the rules surrounding them. That's what will be formally taught. Okay. Take a 2-minute break and we'll come back.
Are different.
Thank you, Mahodaya.
I think I had to walk off when some question was still being asked. I'm sorry. Who was having a question? Was someone
Sir,
having?
I didn't ask that question that time, but I have a question. I had a question which I kept for maybe when you are a bit free. Sir, there was this rule for na, that refa when refa comes, and you were saying that some if it's a different alphabet, then it cancels out the ra effect to make it na. So, sir, have you already taught that, sir? I might have missed it somewhere.
In a very, very subtle way, not in a very detailed way. I haven't taught. See, as part of where we saw this was as this portion of the first Kridanta Shanach when we were saying, you hear, because Natva Prasakti is so common, whenever Mana comes, there is a Nakara, so Nakara happens many times. So it was a good time. So there are two basic rules. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So one rule is Rashabhyam Naha Anaha Samanapade. This is one of the Paninian Sutras. I know this is not the way I should be teaching at this level. Okay, but this is the easiest I find because all of us are adult students. It's okay to introduce some Paninian formulas. Let's understand what this Paninian Sutra means. Rashabhyam Repa Shakarabhyam Repasya Shakarasya cha iti Reka Shaba Shakarabhyam Naha Naha Samanapade. In the same pada, Samanapade, in the same pada, Nakara will become Nakara, like that. Okay, this is one basic rule. Of course, that is just the Paninian Sutra. It will have an expanded Vakya under what context and all that, but this is enough for us now. Okay, that means Repa and Shakara influence a Nakara to become a Nakara in the same word. That is the formula of Panini. Very, very mathematically stated. Then his next formula for the same rule is Atkuppuvangnum Vyavayepi. Actually, this is in one samasta. Atkuppuvangnum Vyavayepi, like that. Okay, one word in Paninian Sutra. I just hyphenated it. At is a pratyahara. At is actually a Maheshwara Sutra pratyahara that includes all the swaras, a, I, U, R, all of them, up to Hayavarat. Okay, so all those letters. Ku stands for Kavarga letters, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya. Pu stands for Pavarga letters, Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. Ang stands for Ang Upasarga. Okay, I don't know reason why he included that exclusively separately from At, because for example in Upasarga maybe is not treated like a normal letter. For some reason maybe Panini has brought in Ang as a separate reference, because Ang is also having At included under At because of A Pratyaya, but he uses Ang. Num is actually representation of Anuswara Bindu. Okay. So Vyavaya means interceding. Okay. Vyavaya means upon the interception. Okay. See how technical his words are. So upon the interception of these letters also, api also, no naha naha bhavati iti. Okay, Natva will happen despite these interceding letters is what Panini is declaring. So all we have to now look for is Repa Shakara should be there, and there should be immediately a Nakara, then it will become Nakara. And actually there is one more rule. Na padante is the another rule. I should have listed that also. Na padante, at the if the Nakara is a Halanta Nakara at the end of a pada, then that won't become Na. So for example, Raman. See, in Ramena we do Na, but Raman we leave it Nakara. No, we don't do Natva because that is a Halanta Nakara which is not having any further letter after it in the pada. So if it is in the padanta, it gets eliminated from doing Natva.
Okay, so it can't be Raman. It can't.
It cannot be Raman.
It can't be half. Okay.
But Ramena, if you see, A is there. There is a Akara after Nakara. Okay. Even a Swara counts as a letter for Panini. So it precludes the Nakara from being the last one. So it can become Na. Ramena. Okay. Did you get the sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So one small question. When do we write Halant Na and when do we write Na without Halant?
As they occur. For example, in Kritavan, there is a Halantana, so we have to write it. In Raman, there is a Halantana, we should write it. In Ramena, there is no Halanta, there is an Akara ending, so we should go. No, there is nothing like when we shouldn't. That's how words are.
Okay.
Words are that way, so we use them that way.
Okay.
This vibhakti generates the halanta nakara, and also the tavatu generates halanta nakara. We know that, right? Kritavan, like that.
Yes.
Patan. See, shatranta also generates halanta nakara. See?
Yes.
So many pratyayas generate this halanta nakara. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
So we come to this. So anybody is very strongly wishing to volunteer?
I want to read, sir.
Padmini and Chandravarye. Okay, all right. So let us start with Chandravarye. Chandra Sridharan.
काव्यकथा भीम युधिष्ठिरोयोः संवादः.
Read it again, Bhagini.
भीम युधिष्ठिरोयोः.
Slowly. Every word should be heard.
भीम युधिष्ठिरोयोः.
No. Okay. See. Again. Slightly, I will correct. I'm sorry. Because that's the reason why I'm making you guys read. There is no repa is a separate letter here with its own akara. Okay. So don't make it yudhishthirayoho. Yudhishthirayoho. Can you say that?
Bhima yudhishthirayoho. Bhima yudhishthirayoho samvadaha. Arjunasya Indrakila prayanam.
So what it means? The argument between Bhima and Yudhishthira. Okay. And of Arjunasya Shashti Ekavachana, Indrakila prayanam. He's traveled to Indrakila. Okay, and this is a samasta pada, you see. Indrakilam prati prayanam, Indrakila prayanam. Like that. Okay. So Madhyama pada lopi something. Okay. All right. So continue.
Draupadayo Vachanantram Bhimaseno Vaktumarambam Kritavan.
Draupadya Vachananantaram. Draupadyaha iti visargalopaha tatra. Draupadyaha Vachananantaram. After the word of Draupadi. If you remember what was the context, Draupadi had given a wonderful discourse to Yudhishthira. सामान्यतया पुरुषाः महिलानां वाक्यं न शृण्वन्ति एव, परन्तु कृपया शृणोतु इति किमपि उक्तवती. क्षत्रियाणां कृते एतत् सम्यक् नास्ति, यथा वयं स्मः, गत्वा भवान् किमपि करोतु, यथा अस्माकं राज्यभारं भवेत् इति. तदनन्तरं द्रौपद्याः वचनानन्तरं, after the vachana of Draupadi, I asked the other students to withstand. There is a lot of reflection from Chandra Bhagini as usual, but that's okay. Don't worry, we'll manage. So after the vachana of Draupadi, Bhimasenaha, that is the younger brother of Yudhishthira, Uttva, Bhimasenaha, Vaktum Arambham Kritavan. Vaktum, in order to tell, Arambham, beginning, he did. That means he started speaking. Continue, Bhagini.
Tasya vachanam shreshtamiti chintitavan.
Saha tasyaha. So again two visargalopas. Saha tasyaha vachanam. So he, that is Bhimasenaha. Tasyaha vachanam. Whose vachanam? Draupadyaha vachanam. Of Draupadi, the saying, Shreshtham iti, good. So chintitavan, he thought. So he thought highly of what Draupadi said. Continue, Bhagini.
Bhimaha katayati agraja Draupadya vachanam ramaniyam.
Bhima says, obviously addressing Yudhishthira, Agraja, hey my elder brother, Draupadyaha vachanam ramaniyam. Draupadi's words are beautiful. Continue.
Brahaspati ratpyevam. Brahaspati rapyevam vaktum na shaktaha.
Brihaspatirappyevam. Brihaspatihi api evam. Two sandhis are there. Okay. Brihaspatihi api has become Brihaspatirapi. So repa of visarga. Conversion of visarga to repa. And that repa has joined the api, so become ra. Full ra. So rapi like that. So Brihaspatihi api Even Brihaspati. Who is Brihaspati? The Acharya of the Devas. You're supposed to have even taught Vedas to the Devas, right? So even Brihaspati evam, like this. Okay. Api evam, apyevam, end sandhi. Okay. Yakara has come in place of e. So apyevam vaktum na shaktaha. To tell is not capable. That means what Draupadi has said exceeds the knowledge sphere of somebody like Brihaspati to teach also. Beautiful. Continue.
Tasya vachanam artha gabritam.
Gabritam, no. See, Bhagini, when there is a hook like this repa has to be read first. Okay.
Artha garbitam.
Artha garbitam. I know some of us from south. Some of from the south we struggle with this lipi. I am thankful to you for trying. So artha garbitam. So tasyaha vachanam, her word arthagarbitam is pregnant with meaning. How beautiful this construct, you see. Pregnant with meaning. Arthagarbitam. Continue.
Atas tasyaha vachanam swikuru.
Ataha, therefore, tasyaha vachanam, her word, svikuru, please accept.
Tava yasu. Brithvi vyadyasu.
No, Bhagini. See, bu, just read off this. In Sanskritam, this much you can read off.
Buddhi vidyasu.
Buddhir vidyasu.
Buddhir vidyasu. Buddhir vidyasu parinata. See. Tava buddhi vidyasu parinata.
Tava buddhi, your brain, your understanding, vidyasu, amongst the various knowledges or shastras, parinata is well trained. Buddhihi is a Strilinga pada, so parinata becomes a Visheshana in Strilinga. Parinata buddhihi. So parinata is expert, like that, well trained. So he is also applying butter. Bhima, it is not easy for Bhima to be like this. So Draupadi has a master stroke by first going in and making it easy for the brothers to push the elder brother. Continue.
Tava katam kauravanam vishaye sa nashta.
Now he is slightly striking. Katam Kauravanam Vishaye Sa Nashta. How come about the Kauravas your mati, buddhi is parinata is lost? Nashta. Slightly he's striking now.
Deva api purvasmakam paurusha nandita. Nandanti sma. Abhi purva masmakam pauru. I can't read it fast.
Don't worry, you got it mostly. Devaha Devaha even the gods. Purvam asmakam, simple samyoga. Okay, purvam asmakam, before of our paurusham, the valor, the purushatva or the valor, abhinandanti sma, used to appreciate. Sma is a bhutakala transfer. So abhinandanti is latter, but sma pushes it to past tense. They used to appreciate our paurusha, like that.
Idanim te pahasyatham.
Te pahasyam.
Te pahasyam.
Kurvanti.
Kurvanti.
Until you find a bar full stop, you have to go. Idanim, now, they, that is devas, Apahasyam kurvanti. They are laughing at us.
Paurusham pradhanam.
For Kshatriyas, of course, that is in brackets. Paurusham pradhanam. The manliness.
Na daunyam. Na daunyam.
Na dainyam.
Na
So,
dainyam.
for
Paurusham pradhanam na dainyam.
For Kshatriyas, manliness is important, not deenata, not this feeling of helplessness. Continue.
Tvam dvadasha paryana
Varshanam.
Varshanam. Dvadasha varshanam madinirikshana karoshi.
Okay, it's a little long word, so I can understand your predicament. Tvam dvadasha varshanam avadhi nirikshanam karoshi. See, dvadasha varshanam avadhi nirikshanam. So dvadasha varshanam is of 12 years. So you of 12 years, avadhi nirikshanam, the awaiting of the period. Okay, avadehe nirikshanam, avadhi nirikshanam. Again, a samastapada. Karoshi, you are doing. That means, hey brother, you are wasting your time waiting for the time to run out. Like that. Okay? That is waste. Continue.
Samasto anubhuyah.
Samasta, where did you read samasta?
Sampadonu bhuyah. Sampado anubhuyah. Ko va pratyarpayati.
Pratyarpayati. You have to practice this repa pronunciation.
I'm making life difficult for all of you.
No problem, no problem. Sampado anubhuya. That means sampadaha anubhuya. Ko va pratyarpayati. So, having experienced the richness, sampad, who indeed will return it? Like that.
Atava yati swikurmaha tat apamana mastama apamana masmakam apamana masmakam.
Athava, or indeed, yadi svikurmaha, in case we accept this your attitude of waiting out, tat apamanam asmakam, that is actually a shame of ours. Asmakam, of ours. Apamanam, shame. So it is like a shame of ours. Like that.
Ataha shanti margam parityajah.
Why are you reading Visarga when it is not there? Just read what is there first.
Parityajaya.
Parityajya.
Veera margam ashraya.
Ataha, therefore, Shanti Margam Parityajya, giving up your peaceful path, having given up your peaceful path, Lyabanta. Okay, Veera Margam, the path of the bold. Okay, Ashraya, you please take. Okay, continue.
Yuddham kurmaha.
Let us fight.
Shatrunam nasho bhavatu iti.
So may the destruction of our enemies happen. So he concluded. So I would say it will be better if you go to the original Kavya. We can see the verses of Bhima to Yudhishthira. It will be more colorful, but you can see the Paurushatva in what he is saying. Okay, nice. So thanks, Bhagini.
Sorry, I didn't.
No,
I have a doubt,
no
sir.
Please. What is the doubt, sir?
Sambadonu bhuya ko va pratyarpedi. What is the meaning for that, sir?
Sampadaha means many riches.
Okay.
Sampadah
Anubhuya.
Anubhuya means having experienced.
Okay.
Lyabanta. Okay.
Kova.
Kahava, who indeed pratyarpayati, returns it. See, if you remember the context, what was not a very strong footing of the Kaurava Vamsha at that time, Yudhishthira with Arjuna's help, etc., who had conducted a big, I think Rajasuya Yaga or whatever, right? So he had expanded by his valor the reign of the Kaurava Vamsha. Pandavas are also Kauravas, if you remember. So the Kaurava Vamsha's reign had been extended. They are all Kuru Vamshiyas. So now Bhima is saying, because of your stupidity after the loss of that stupid game,
Okay.
After enjoying all the riches, how come we returned it like so easily? Like that's what is challenging.
Okay. Why? Okay.
Read Bhagini. Read.
Sir, va here doesn't mean or, no?
Va here means in the sense of kova, who indeed sense we have to take. Okay. Not in the pure simplistic sense of or. Okay. Who indeed is the sense that comes from this pair, kova, kahava. Like. Jayashri Bhagini, who was the other one to read?
Myself, sir.
Please read Bhagini.
भीमस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा युधिष्ठिरः उपदेशम् आरब्धवान् तव वचनम् अर्थपूर्णम्.
Bhimasya vachanam shrutva, having heard the word of Bhima, Yudhishthiraha, the fellow Yudhishthira, karta. Okay, upadesham arabdavan. Okay, he started his own dharmopadesha. Tvarana karaniya vaya. Okay, let us see. Okay, tava vachanam arthapurnam. Okay, he is also soft landing it for Bhima, and so your word is meaningful. Continue, Magini.
तथापि अहं किंचित चिंतयामि.
Even then, I will think a bit about it. I think is implicit there. Continue.
सर्वं कार्यं त्वरया न कर्तव्यम्.
All work should not be done in a hurry. 12 years he has spent and is saying this. Okay.
विमर्श आवश्यकः.
Vimarshaha avashyakah. Vimarshaha means some kind of thoughtful discussion and contemplation. Contemplation is the correct translation, I think. So avashyakah. So contemplation is essential. Continue, Bhagini.
Indriyanam nigraho vashyam kartavyah.
The control of the indriyas, nigraha, indriyanam nigraha. So the control of the senses, yoga abhyasa basically. Avashyam kartavyah, definitely should be done. They are talking about war and he is talking about indriya nigraha. Continue, Bhagini.
Shantihi pradhanam sadhanam.
Oh, peace is the most important instrument. I think it's Gandhivada. Okay, continue, Bhagini.
Dushtas tatkale sukham anubhavanti.
Dushtaha tatkale sukham anubhavanti. Here tatkala has to be taken in the sense of at the appropriate time, not at that time. Tatkala normally means samanakala, that time, like that. But here it means in the sense of at the proper time. So dushtaha tatkale sukham anubhavanti. Oh, what is dushtaha sukham kimartam anubhavanti? I don't know the import of this word. 19. Let us see what it says.
Can it be temporary?
Immediately. Tatkal.
Tatkalika sukham. Tatkalika sukham iti praya. Temporary iti praya. Samyak. It's not a very nice construction the way it is told, but it's okay. Continue, Bhagini.
Ante vinashyanti iti.
So tatkalika only. Here it is clear. At the end, they will be destroyed. Okay, they will destroy themselves. So tatkalika sukham anubhavanti ityasya tatkale sukham anubhavanti iti prayogah asti syat nama chinta nasti tatra. Continue this small paragraph, Bhagini.
Tasminneva samaye ashramam Vyasamuniragatavan.
At that time only, see, this only business comes in all our languages, no? Eva. Tasminneva samaye, at that time only, time comes afterwards here, samaye. Uhi samay pe ashramam, ashram ko Vyasamuni ne agatavan, became the fellow who came, aya. Continue, begin.
Yudhishthiro ativa santushtaha.
Yudhishthira, he was waiting for some relaxation here from his brothers and wife. So that's the sense I get. Yudhishthira ativa santushtaha. He became extremely happy.
Puja satkaram kritavan.
So he did all the hasta prakshalana, pada prakshalana, all those things. Puja satkaram kritavan. He did all the proper satkaras, welcoming actions to that fella.
Anantaram dharmarajo vaktumarabdhavan. Munishreshta tava agamanena asmakam janma safalam.
After doing all the satkara, anantaram, if you see the construction, no, antarena vina anantaram, na antaram anantaram, nai, that is negation. Nai becomes an if there is a swarakshara. Antara is a swarakshara in the beginning. So an is applied. Okay, anantaram, like that it will become. So anantaram, afterwards, Dharmarajaha Vaktum Arabdavan, started speaking. Munishreshta, hey you superior Muni, Tava Agamanena, by your arrival, Asmakam Janma, our birth, Sapalam, is fruitful.
Tvam nisprihaha.
You are untouchable. This one, don't take it to this stupid way in which untouchability, all that meaning it has taken on. So that you are untouchable means you are very, very great person. Your knowledge is so big that none of us can touch it. Not touch him, touch the knowledge. Of course, you wouldn't touch a Munishreshta also. That is another Maryada. That is, we know that. But here it really is about his respectful height in knowledge. Continue.
Asmakam samipe kim va prichhasi.
Near us, okay, of our near. Okay, see this construction. Asmakam samipe. Samipe is Saptami Prayoga. So Asmakam is of our. Okay, so Samipatva is a possession of ours. Okay, so that's why that is in Shashti. And Samipatva is a location. So Samipe Saptami Adhikarana Karaka. This is, you will notice in mother tongues if you notice carefully. Hamare Sameep me, like that. I don't know whether I'm accurately saying it in Hindi. I'm just choosing Hindi as a standard prototype for all our mother tongues. So Hamare Sameep, Hamare is Shashti, Sameep me is Saptami, like that. Kim va pruchasi, what indeed do you ask? See, again, this is again a, not like R. Okay, Kim va pruchasi, what indeed do you ask? What are you asking?
Atastha vagamana prayojanam na prishtavan aham.
Ataha tava agamana prayojanam na prishtavanaham. Therefore, the use of your arrival, I did not ask. That means, look, it is actually, this is a good teaching anyway. When any Atiti comes now, nowadays we just have lost the art of what not to ask. Okay, first thing, say, why did you come? That question should never be asked. Okay, so that is the bodha here, dharma bodha here. So see, look, you are a great person. You are an untouchable in terms of your knowledge and ability. What indeed will you ask of us? Okay, here in the sense of us should be taken. Ask of us. So therefore, I didn't ask what is the use of your arrival here for yourself. Like that. Okay, so he's a little bit respectfully telling. Continue.
Nathapi tava vachanam shrotumichhami iti.
Even then, I would like to listen to your word. Like, we should look at the original Kavi's verses to get better meaning. Some translation they have given, it's a little bit wacky. It looks the way it is constructed. Why would anyone start off like this? But in the original verses, it will come out better, I think. Okay. So thanks, Bhagini. Well read.
Spruha, if you take it as desire, then you are desireless. So then it makes better meaning.
Correct. You're right. Actually, F says that.
You are nothing. You don't need anything actually.
Yeah. That so the spruha. He is not having sparsha with indriya. So he is correct. Man, that was a complete, I think, Mahabharata Yuddha taking place in Maria's house, I think. Okay. All right. So you are right, Bhagini. Tvam nispruha can be translated better that way. You are an ascetic who doesn't have any desires of the normal people that due to their indriyas. You are beyond that. So what will you ask of us? What do we have basically like that which you may desire? So, but still I would like to know your word like that. Okay, he is prefixing that. I would have said it have been simpler if it said, hey Munishreshta, Namo Namaha, Kimi Kripaya Uchyatam, something like that would have been better. But here he went on and on. Dharmaraja is given to what you call more bodha. If Vyasa doesn't put all these verses in Dharmaraja's mouth, Vyasa won't be happy. So, so I think we have run out of time today. So we still have a couple of large paragraphs. So what we will do, we will continue the reading tomorrow and then go and take questions. So I'll quickly read up this much from yesterday, tomorrow, first thing, and then we will continue reading with students' help. Okay. So I know this making you students read, some of the other students may feel, why is he making so much waste of time for us? So just please look at the prototype of the students' struggle and try to not make those mistakes. That's all. That's the only reason. And I'm glad that some volunteers are coming forward so that they will learn, even if they're making mistakes. There should not be any lajja bhava in that. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice afternoon of the remaining day of the first day of our new year. Tomorrow, let's gather back and continue the studies. Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada.
Happy New Year.